iPhone 7 Plus. Sexy phone with a sexy man. And let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the customer's phone has microphone and audio issues. The problem is there's no passcode to get in and test the device. So the phone doctor will show you how. Step 1, hit cancel. Step 2, swipe to the right. Step 3, if you want to admire the phone doctor, click this camera. Look at that. Okay, now we'll slide over here. Tap record. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm testing the lower microphone capability for this iPhone, this sexy iPhone 7 Plus. Pause. Let's go ahead and play it back. iPhone, this sexy iPhone 7 Plus. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm testing the lower microphone capability iPhone, this sexy iPhone 7 Plus. As you can see, there appears to be lots of debris obstruction in the lower microphone channels. Let's go ahead and fix this together.